Hello everyone, this is John Gronski. I am traveling through Upper Austria, and it's my pleasure to have a short interview with an exceptional leader. His name is Christian Kasbaurer. He is the Director of Global Production for Hatz, which is a manufacturing company, and they manufacture diesel engines, generators, and other components, primarily for the construction industry, agriculture, and also the defense industry. And he's going to talk a little bit about his business philosophy, his leadership philosophy, and it's really a pleasure because I know Christian is really an outstanding leader. So let me turn it over to Christian. And hey, Christian, how you doing today?
Hello, John. I'm good, thank you.
All right. Hey, I'd like to hear a little bit about your business philosophy and your leadership philosophy, and just want to hear what you have to say. You know, perhaps maybe 3 things that you would want to touch on.
So our philosophy is we are one of the smallest producers from diesel engines for you talked about already, agriculture, defense, and mainly for the construction equipment. So we have a focus on all these small customers we deliver, and my first philosophy of leading is keep your team informed. That's one of my important things. So give them all information they really need, especially my direct reports. We do it every day at 8 o'clock in the morning with the shop floor management. So they get all informations, and it's like leading by an example. So if I keep them informed, I guess they give all information back to me I need to do the right things.
You know, that's a great philosophy you have there, Christian. I think communication is so important. So thank you for mentioning that. What else would you like to touch on?
So the second thing is because we are one of the smallest deliverer on diesel engines, we have to take care about our customers. And the voice of the customer is really important for us, so we can make our processes in the production to confirm with what the customer needs from us.
That is a great business philosophy. So you're really listening to the customer, what their needs are, and then you're delivering on those needs.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
It's an installed process. We call it the voice of the customer, and that's really important for us.
I love that. How about another item?
So, and the third thing is look at that your team has the same belief in the process like I do. I think it's one of the very important thing. So they do the things like I want, and I have to teach them. They focus on the processes like I get it from the customer or from the company.
Okay, so it sounds like you have certain standards.
Yeah.
And you enforce those standards to make sure the people who work for you basically conduct their work in accordance with those standards that you set.
Yeah. All right.
Okay, no, that's very good, Christian. Christian, I really appreciate it. It sounds like you have a great leadership philosophy. It sounds like you have an outstanding business philosophy. I know you've been with the company a long time, and you've kept moving up in the organization from one promotion to another. You're now the Director of Global Production. I think that's just a credit to you and a credit to your leadership and a credit to your personal philosophy of continuing to learn, continuing to grow as a leader. So thank you, Christian, for your time.
Thank you, John.